Yo, part three. What's up? Three things today, real quick. First one, don't forget to get things turned in on time. I think the due date every week is set for Friday at 11:59, midnight, somewhere around there. So, that should give you plenty enough time all week to get a sketch done and get it turned in. So make sure you're getting those in on time. That way I can give you full credit. Otherwise, I'm going to have to dock a couple points. Number two is don't forget I have that video compendium up of all kinds of different tutorials. So I think there's like 5 or 6 tutorials on there now, and it's just growing every week. There's like a bunch of facial feature tutorials, things for eyes, the nose, mouth. There's like a framework drawing tutorial. There's a basic building a drawing using shapes. So there's all kinds of different things on there. So like I said, if you get stuck, go to that compendium and find something, and that should be a quick, easy way to get you a sketch for the week. Last thing is what was the last thing I wanted to tell you? Oh, if you are sick of doing drawings or sketches, remember you can always contact me and I can get you the stuff that you might need in order to do a bigger project. So, if you're really like missing painting, or you going to do a drawing on like a big like illustration board or something, I have all that stuff here. So if you're really hankering to do something other than just a sketchbook drawing, hit me up. You know where my email stuff is in the help, I think the help button. So you can go there, email me, or contact me through Canvas. You can do that too. I can get you everything you need, and you can, do whatever it is that you want to do. So, sketchbooks in on time, video compendium. Let me know if you need supplies. Cool. That's all I got for you this week. Super short one. Keep drawing. You guys are doing some awesome stuff. Cool. Until next time.